Hello everyone. So from today I am starting 30 days AWS series where each day we will learn a AWS service, and I am also going to show you the practical demo. And in today's video I am going to tell you some basics about cloud computing and how AWS provides us cloud services. So let's begin. First of all, what is cloud computing? So you guys have seen this kind of network diagram where network is represented by a cloud symbol. So in early days when internet was not popular, so network engineers used to connect storage servers and their computer together, and it used to create a network, and in the diagram they used to represent as a cloud. And in 90s when internet became popular, they used to represent the internet by the cloud symbol. When they moved data to the internet, they used to say we are moving it to cloud. So from there only the word cloud became popular. Basically cloud means server on the internet. Internet is also a network. In diagram it represented by the cloud. So the word cloud came from the internet. So when you say I have data on cloud, you are simply means that your data is on internet, or there is a server on your data is on a server which is on internet. You can access the data from anywhere, from any device. Now let's take an example of an online travel company who hosted their website on their own on-premise server room. They have 4 servers in their server room where they host their application. This is on normal days, but when holiday season comes, the traffic get increased on their website. They have to buy more servers to make sure that their website is up and running even if the traffic is more. And if you see, these servers are connected with each other and makes a symbol cloud. So this is called private cloud. Private cloud means a company or an organization manage their own set of servers in their personal premises, and these servers are connected together. But there are some challenges with the private cloud. First is, whenever they need more servers, they have to wait for the delivery of the servers. Once they get the delivery, they have to install everything manually, all the setup, networking and everything. And those servers need 24/7 power supply, and their maintenance is so expensive because the holiday season is off. They won't get much traffic on their website, so there are unnecessary cost of maintenance of the extra servers. Now let's suppose instead of hosting their website on their personal servers, they move to the AWS cloud. Now they are hosting their website on AWS cloud. So they asked AWS cloud to provide their servers. They provided these servers, and now their application is on cloud. And cloud is a public network because basically it's internet. That is why it is called public cloud. And now they don't have to wait for the server to deliver, because on AWS cloud we can launch our server in minutes, and everything is automated over there, so you don't have to do all the networking setup manually. And also cloud has pay as you go model, as in you have to only pay for what you use. For example, you are using server for 10 hours, so you only have to pay for 10 hours. And then scalability and flexibility. So as their website gets more traffic on holiday seasons, the server gets automatically scaled using the auto scaling service of AWS. Because AWS has their data centers on multiple regions in geographical area, so their website is highly available. So these are the benefits of using cloud. And this is called cloud computing, where a cloud provider like AWS provides the IT resources like servers, networks, softwares over the internet. So there are many cloud service provider out there, and these are the some of the popular service provider, which is Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure Cloud, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud by IBM, and Oracle Cloud. And the services provided by these cloud providers are divided into three categories, which is also called service model. So first is IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service. This kind of service gives us the virtual server, storage, network, all the infrastructure resources. And then second is PaaS, which is platform as a service. So this gives us the environment to develop, run and test our applications. Third is SaaS, software as a service. This gives us ready to use softwares like Gmail, Netflix, YouTube, which we use in our day-to-day life. Now let me tell you how a cloud provider like AWS provide us the cloud services over the internet. They have thousands of servers in their data centers, and they use virtualization to provide us services on the cloud. So if you don't know what is virtualization, I have made a short video, please check it out. Amazon has data centers in multiple areas in the world, which is called a region. Inside one region, they have multiple availability zones. So availability zones basically data centers inside a region. In India, it has data centers in Mumbai region. So inside Mumbai region, there are multiple availability zone, means there are multiple data centers. Now why they have multiple data center in same region? This is because in case anything happen to one availability zone or one data center, like outage or something, there is another availability zone available, so it minimizes the downtime, and is the reason of having multiple availability zone or data centers. So this is all basics of cloud computing and the fundamentals of AWS. In next video, I will tell you about AWS Management Console, and we will create a free account on AWS. If this video was helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.